Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to change the color and format of your bullet in Google Slides. So here I have my Google Slides opened, and then this is the list of my bulleted list, and I want to change this subheading bullet. So what you have to do, you just click on the subheading or the heading like this, not the text but the bullet. First, if you want to change the format, you just click format and then click bullet and numbering and then click the list options. For example, I want to make it as a check mark. See, now already changed to the check mark. Now I want to change the color. It's like a text. You just click on the bullet list and then click this text color, and then for example I want to make it as a purple color. So it's really easy to do. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please put the comment below or put your likes, or you can click thanks on the below. Thank you. Bye bye.